Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, our Government Chief Whip, the Secretary General of NRM, all ministers present, religious leaders from various denominations, colleagues, members of parliament, the RDCs of various districts, led by our very own RDC, Mr. Aliba. The area councillors of Kitgum Municipality, Kitgum District, and Acholi March, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, there is an author, a renowned writer by the name Chope. Chope, in one of his books, Things Fall Apart, wrote about the Igbo culture. Chope said in his book that when great names, when kingdoms come together in the moon, they don't come because they cannot see moons from their homes. They come together because there is a big issues to be discussed. The same author of Things Fall Apart also said that when kids gather together for a celebration like this one, they come not because they lack food in their homes, but they come because there is a big issue, there is a big celebration that keeps laying us hands. Your Excellency, the coming of the people of Kitgum today to celebrate the appointment of the Honorable Dr. Lillian Aber is a manifestation that indeed we are happy for the appointment you have given our own daughter. Your Excellency, on the same day, here Acholi also, when the elders send their very own for hunting, and the hunters come back home with a big animal, celebration like this one always occurs. And that is why we are here. And that is why, Your Excellency, you can see all of us, the members of parliament from Kitgum and Acholi sub-region, irrespective of the political affiliation, we are all gathered here for one important purpose: to give our very own the thanks we deserve. Your Excellency, I am privileged to stand before you today after 13 years. The last time that I welcome you at my home in Baganda University, when I was a kid president, was the year 2011. When you came to Amere to launch the first small vehicle that Amere named Kera EV. And again today, mark 30 years, that you have come again to my constituency, Kitgum Municipality. And I'm happy to welcome you here. Your Excellency, before I invite colleagues members of parliament, allow me to give only 4 messages. Number one, we wholeheartedly thank you for appointing our very own Honorable Dr. Lillian Aber as a minister. Bamufueva. He actually did work for you. You can't be in a bed. The team that can reach here. You can't get Uchi or Ifoyo. Kai you may play you Nudo. You make a money mono. One to give him a poll. One year of pay. Amere, Chairman of Beach, one memo. I don't want to contradict that. Mukene, one president, Commander, Tiniongo, Neokwe. Your Excellency, the appointment of Dr. Lillian Aber as a minister demystified two key things. It demystified the mystery that leadership only comes from a wealthy family. It also demystified the mystery that leadership only comes from a family of leaders. You know what I want to demand for? Chimo, Latino Abe, Lillian, Nyurunye Merio, Mietien, anything at Mokaken wrong with a tela, Tira, Tika, Mochanti, yeah. Mina Mario, Nyuruni, Kirin Machan, Kirpe Aikan, Matera, yeah. Teki ke ofini mate. Ichago tera mabe. Inyuru nyuk metera. Waneri kumi. Yiri doi matera. Your Excellency, I have known Honorable Lillian Aber not today. I have known Lillian Aber when we were still at our child. When we were still young people. And that is why for those people who knows me and her, we call ourselves head boy and head girl. Bien, watch out tell I want to get it on. When I was a head boy at Kikum Town College, she was a head girl on Basoga Memorial College. She began from there. I remember during the very tough period of Amere, as the student leaders of Kiku, we formed ourselves together and we organized what we call Peace Club. In Peace Club, we the material de la frontière kwa Kiku, qui Acholi, mene oni kuch, umeromekie. And we want to do, one of our technical, and a retired Macleod Becker, performed. Your Excellency, the Honorable Lillian Aber went through tough situations, tough times to reach where she is now. Now we are poor, my man. We can't go. We are poor, I'm not going to go to you. Gala. Pancakes on her head. To say. Now we are poor, my man. We can't go bene. You get all the money to come. One day go by them now. Children come to school. We can't fall apart. We are poor, we can't fall apart. We don't have to give President Bakiga. The Honorable Lillian will come to my office. And she was very determined to replace me as the new president. Chope, my cabinet meeting. By the way, I was a very big president then. Chope, but here since the minister, Lillian Amere bill chawati being a weekend or no Give cabinet meeting. As is up there. As it is. You can't know where Makere University. Lillian Amere was Makere. Would you be president? Would you campaign Matana? And to give a knock again, Kilipikumeno, Kichimo, and the vice game president. Go He can march for president for Ugandan National Student Association. The same honorable Lillian came to me. Thus, he also want to be the Ulster president in Uganda. This is serious. What I did was to give her the necessary contact points of the people I worked with when I was the Ulster president. And guess what happened? She traversed the entire country. Young woman. She got it. And she won as Ulster president. Your Excellency, I may go on and on, but the truth of the matter is, you have a very potential person in the name of Lillian Amere. To my sister, Honorable Lillian Amere, the Bible says, that he whom much is given, much is expected. Bible writing it and I'm making a Gimara pool. Gimara pool,